Well, I thought I would try injecting pork butts. I'm gonna smoke these pork butts to about 203 degrees internal, and then we're gonna make pulled pork out of it. I've never injected one before. I have chicken and turkey, but I'm gonna try injecting this pork butt. I'll see what it tastes like, or if I would decide to do it again or not. Now what I mixed up was a half a cup of apple juice, a half a cup of water, a half a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of salt, not quite a full tablespoon, and a half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And we'll stir it up, give it a mix, and let it set until we get these pork butts ready. Now these are bone-in pork butts, and together they weighed about, I believe it was 8 1/4 pounds. Now I pat them down, and I'm going to trim some of the fat off of them. Now I just trimmed a small amount of fat off of them, getting them ready to inject. Now we're going to inject it with the mix that I mixed up, and we'll give it a try and see if it makes a difference. Being that I always just used pork rub, we thought we'd try this, something new, see if we liked it or not. Now I'm not applying any binder. I'm just applying this Atkins chicken and pork rub. I've used this for years and I like it. This is what I always purchase when I want some seasonings. Now I have some other seasonings I'll try different from time to time, but this is one of my favorites and the family loves it. And we'll speed it up through here. Well, 1 down and 1 to go. We'll get this one wrapped up and set it to the side here for a little bit until we get this other one ready. And we'll start injecting this one. We'll get it injected real good. I don't use all of the mix I mixed up, but I use quite a bit of it. Get it all in there the best we can. Again, I've never done this before. Don't know what it'd be like. So let's speed it up through here too. We'll get through this injection here. Well, we got the second one injected. We got it seasoned. Hey, we even got it wrapped. And we'll place them on the pan here. And where are they going? Okay, it's the next day, and it's about noon here. And we're getting ready to put these in the smoker. The smoker's been going. It's all warmed up and ready to go. I tell you what, these aren't even cooked yet, and they smell fantastic. Well, we insert the meat stick. It's been programmed, and we're going to look for an internal temperature of 203 degrees. Now here they have been in the smoker for about an hour and a half, and they're looking good. They've been on there about 6 hours. I got an internal temperature of 160 degrees. It's time to wrap them. We'll get these wrapped up and then we'll get them back into the smoker. Now back into the smoker, and then we'll pull them when we reach an internal temperature of 203 degrees. And that was a quick 2.5 hours. Hey, it's ready to pull off of there. 203 degrees. Well, the total cook time was 8.5 hours, and well worth the time. These turned out fantastic. Oh, they smell delicious. Now it's time to get it all pulled apart. We're going to add our barbecue sauce. I'm going to add some brown sugar as well. And my wife, Mrs. Pitsmoke, is helping me. And of course, we're using Head Country barbecue sauce. My favorite, I tell you, our favorite, the family's favorite. We have used it for years. And we're going to give that a mix. I think we run out of the original, but I do have a bottle of the habanero. Oh, it's good. And we add about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of brown sugar and some more barbecue sauce. I believe that bottle's empty. Now, I want you to look at that. That looks good, smells good, and it is delicious. Look at this. Oh, looky there. Potato salad, cowboy beans, and a pulled pork and coleslaw sandwich. And to be honest, I can't tell if injecting the meat done any good or not. I really didn't taste any difference. Well, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.